Alrighty guys, well, the day has finally come. Yep, the drive finally came in. And I still have it in this bubble wrap because I was taking apart the Wii. I put it back together for the time being until the drive came, so if you're wondering, that's why. Alright, so now I am going to take this drive out. And you want to be really careful doing this because there's like a connector tucked into this, and there's a ribbon cable. You have to open that carefully. And there you go. There you go. The drive is removed. Don't know if I caught that, but basically, the ribbon cable which goes here, you have to open that carefully if you want to remove the drive. And hold on, let me zoom in for you guys. This cable tucks under there. Hang on, I'll point it out with a screwdriver. This cable right here. Oh, hold on. That my screwdriver's pointing at. Oh, get out of the way. Stinking ribbon cable. This cable tucks under that black area right there. So yeah, out with the old. Gotta put the new one in. I got it opened. And in with the new. Oh, crap. I'm having a really hard time with this. Then after I put it in, I'm going to screw it in with those 4 screws. Alright. Now, plugging it in. And voila! Disk drive is installed. And oh, there it goes. Sorry, I was checking that cable if it was tucked under. And there it goes. Now the screws that secure the drive in place, you got to take extreme care of those. Actually, I don't know about extreme, but you got to be careful when putting those into the most awkward places if you don't want to unscrew the top metal shield. Oh, sorry, I'm just fine. It's like tuning a radio. You gotta make sure you don't strip the screw slot. And the other 2 screws just go in the back. Sorry if my arm is in the way. Really trying to narrow it in. Alright. Now the drive is securely in. Now before I put the shield back on, I'm going to give it a little test. Alright. Oh, that sounds healthy. So I think I'm doing something right. Now, where did I put that remote? Oh, there it is. Oh. Just let me grab a GameCube memory card. Put it in our Wii. And where's that GameCube wireless adapter receiver? I know I put that thing somewhere. That's odd. Thought I had it. Thought I had it at all times. I'm sorry guys, I don't know where my wireless receiver is, but I can use a corded controller for right now. So that's what I'll do. First, I'll test a Wii game out and see if it'll play that. Oh. Alright, so thus far it's working. Oh, what the hell? Okay. Okay. I swear it. Now the main part is, will it play a GameCube game? Nope. Still didn't do any good. Well. Let me try a different Wii game. So Mario Kart Wii works. Super Mario Galaxy. I don't know. Should I give it a shot again? Because on the old drive it was working. Alright. Here goes nothing. Okay. Why does this drive not like Super Mario Galaxy? Yeah, I think the old drive might be better off. Oh! Wait, I take back everything I said. I just probably had to fiddle with it to get it to work. And I was playing Super Mario Galaxy, and so this drive, I kind of give it like a little bit of a thumbs up. You know, if you want to hear the audio, I'm going to turn the TV up. I used to really love this game a lot. I regret ever selling that game, but I have it back now, so yay. Why don't I do a mission? Just to entertain you guys. This might be boring to some of you, but I need 40 stars. Crud. Anybody who loved Super Mario Galaxy, please let me know in the comments. Alright. So the Wii Drive is working fine. You just have to fiddle with it on Super Mario Galaxy. I progress through another star. So, yeah. So, the Wii games... they seem to work alright. GameCube... I don't know, shall I give it a shot again? Game I'm using is Sonic Heroes, so... See, it's just not doing anything. So I think the GameCube functionality is dead. Yep, it's dead. Hang on. Oh, hold on. Oh, crud. Okay, yep. It's dead. It's dead. Wait. Yeah, I have a Wii U that'll play Wii games anyway, and I also have a GameCube that'll do the trick. Maybe I'll keep the Wii just for its unique uses. Because I have a few games that'll use the GameCube controller. So, yeah, that's basically it for me. So, but hey, at least the Wii got a new drive. So, I can't really complain. I guess it might be the Wii that has a dead GameCube functionality in it. If anybody knows why my Wii won't play GameCube games, let me know in the comments. But anyway, thanks for watching. Alright, so upon doing further investigations, I find that the new drive doesn't really work as well with Super Mario Galaxy. And that the old drive did it much better. So what you actually see is the old drive back in its the original drive back in its Wii. Here's the new drive. I put it back in its bubble wrap. Maybe I could use it for a future project. I don't know. But this is brand new. I don't know how it could not read the Super Mario Galaxy game. I mean, it read it, but it just did not want to load it. So yeah. And testing the GameCube functionality, I think the GameCube functionality is just far gone. So, yeah. We could probably put ISO files on that thing. I don't know. But yeah. I'll see you guys later.